So here on the Johnson Ranch, Mom and I think that we are real farmers. Well, Mom actually is, and I'm still learning. We go out early spring and collect our favorite seeds and hope that we will have a great harvest. So this is Mom showing me for the umpteenth time how deep to plant the seeds. Thank my brother so much for tilling the ground. And so July, we have a little bush. Things are looking so well. So on today, Mom decides, let me go and pick just a little for the two of us. So this is a smoked turkey leg. You know that's going to be good. I appreciate you, Mom, for making me my favorite bean, butter beans. It's my, yo, it's time to eat. You see this? Fresh from the garden to the table. It doesn't get any better than this. So if you love good cooking recipes, easy recipes, all of that, then make sure to check out my cooking and baking playlist. You know we're in Vlogtober, so expect a video tomorrow, the next day. Now come on, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell twice so you never miss an upload. Stay safe, stay blessed, and remember, you are absolutely priceless.